Howdy. So, um, I didn't look this up on YouTube, I didn't look this up on the web, just completely thought of it and made it in one day. I thought over it 2 days and then made it in one day, but here it is. It's a gumball machine that I made. 25 cents. Pretty cool. It's made out of Tic Tac containers, water bottles, duct tape, cardboard, hot glue, and a wooden dowel. A single wooden dowel. So, I think I should load it up with a gumball first. Okay, so we have a gumball. I'll put that there. Load that up. So now, this is how you get into it. So you take the tape off, open up the lid, put the gumball in, close it up, swing it around, and yep. So you take the quarter, you put it in there, so the quarter's in there. That's disappointing. It should work, but it doesn't. And then the quarters end up in this little box right here. Cool. I'm thinking about in the future widening this, making it like a orb, like a regular gumball machine. I don't know when that will be, but you know, it's cool. It's definitely cool. Ooh. Take this, put that on there, cut a hole in the bottom, and boom. That could actually work. It could be a Pokemon themed gumball machine. I don't know. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.